You've got a thriving online business, right? You're making sales, your customers are happy, but there's a tiny snag. Getting paid. Specifically, you want to know how to seamlessly transfer those online earnings directly into your Cash App. Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cash App is for individuals, right? Not businesses. Wrong. While Cash App is primarily known for peer-to-peer payments, it's also a versatile tool for small businesses. It's like having a digital wallet that's always with you. So, how do you bridge the gap between your website and your Cash App? Let's break it down. Method 1. Payment processors. The most common route is through a payment processor. Think of them as the middlemen between your website and your bank or digital wallet. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and Square. These platforms allow you to accept payments directly on your website. Once the payment is processed, you can easily transfer the funds to your Cash App. Here's a general outline. Choose a payment processor. Select a processor that suits your business needs and integrates well with your website. Set up your account, create an account with your chosen processor, and provide the necessary business information. Integrate with your website. Add the payment gateway code to your website's checkout page. Link Cash App to your processor. Connect your Cash App account to your payment processor account. Transfer funds. Once you receive payments, initiate transfers to your Cash App. Method 2. Direct bank transfer. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, direct bank transfers might be your thing. This method involves receiving payments directly into your bank account and then manually transferring the funds to your Cash App. Here's a step-by-step. Set up online banking. Ensure you have online access to your bank account. Provide bank details. Share your bank account information with your customers for direct deposits or transfers. Monitor your account. Regularly check your bank account for incoming payments. Transfer to Cash App. Once funds are available, transfer the desired amount to your Cash App. Method 3. Cash App Pay Links. For a simpler, more direct approach, consider Cash App Pay Links. These are unique links you can share with customers for one-time payments. Here's how it works. Create a pay link. Generate a Cash App Pay link through the app or website. Share the link. Send the link to your customers via email, social media, or any other platform. Receive payments. Once customers pay using the link, the funds will go directly to your Cash App. Important considerations. Fees. Be aware of transaction fees associated with payment processors and Cash App. Transfer times. Understand the processing times for transfers between your payment processor, bank, and Cash App. Security. Prioritize the security of your customers' payment information and your Cash App account. Additional tips. Offer multiple payment options. Give your customers flexibility by providing various payment methods. Clear instructions. Provide clear instructions on how to pay to avoid confusion. Customer support. Be available to assist customers with any payment issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.